Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a muffled audio in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already opened this video and I want to make the audio sound muffled. Okay, this is the normal audio, and what you need to do first is just extract the audio. So click on the video and find the extract audio options, this one. And now the audio is extracted, and what you need to do is click on the audio and click on the voice changer. And in here under the voice filter, you can just select the filter that will make the audio sound muffled. So let's try the megaphone. So it sounds muffled but not really. Let's try the final. I think this one is better. And here if you find the right filter, you can click on this adjust. Here you can adjust it to your liking. Click on the check icon when you are done, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.